We got the 2016 BMW 328. Today, simple job, guys. We did a classic Muffy D right here. Remove that big muffler. It's on the floor. As you can see, look at these tips. Small, basic tips. Obviously, you got to change them, so that's what we did right here. Check this out. Really compliments the car, guys. The next step, the customer didn't want it too aggressive today. He's like, all right, let's try the muffler delete, and then maybe after I could come back and get this resonator removed after you drive it around for a month or so. So that's what we did today. We're gonna bring it down and let you hear how it sounds. Guys, also, we are franchising, so if you wanna own a G-Exhaust, go to gexhaust.com. Check out all the links in the description, and we got merch at muffyd.com. All right, let's hear this thing.